Hi there, my name is Jessica Delfino. I love making crafts and I'm part of a craft group here in New York City called Craftermath. You can find us at craftermath.blogspot.com. Today we're going to make a heart by folding the paper and drawing along the fold. So we're going to take our piece of construction paper and we're going to fold it in half, just like so. Then we're going to take a marker. Any marker will do, any pencil will do, anything that can make a mark will do. Take it, basically we're going to start at the top hand corner and just draw a line down and around, just like that. So when you're done, you've got just this sort of rounded shape. That's all, just a round shape. We're going to take our scissors and we're going to cut along the line. Just cut, take your time, no need to rush, and just go up and back to where you originally started with the first little dot from your marker, just like that. And then when you open your heart, this side has some marker on it, but this side is perfect. And that is how you make a heart by folding the paper and drawing along the folds. Happy crafting!